Loves, good evening, welcome back to my channel. But if you're just seeing me for the first time, this beauty here, this beauty my name is Chantel and I am a Nigerian based YouTuber. So if you like what you see already, please do well to subscribe and also turn on your bell icon so you are notified each time I post new content on this channel. Okay, thank you so much. Let's just begin today's vlog. So this is literally the end of, or the same day I ended the last vlog. I just uploaded this, so I'm just listening to it to see or hear what it feels like. You get? But I am about to have lunch, late lunch, and I'll still eat food because this is not food. I wanted to show you guys. I want to have Greek yogurt. See here, they delivered it around 12, but it's currently past 5 now and I haven't had anything. This will be my first time trying out this brand. My friend Tari recommended them, so I said okay, let me just try them out because normally I use Juice Hub NG, but Tari told me about this brand and I decided to. It's called V Streets, and this is the 500 ml size. She said this is a 550 actually, but she sells it for 500, which is good. So I'm about to make Greek yogurt now to have. I have my mason jar, my good old mason jar here. I haven't had Greek yogurt since forever. I think the last one I showed you in one of my vlogs, that was the last time I had Greek yogurt. So I was craving it because I got this granola thing, this Kellogg's crunchy nut granola that my friend Tari also recommended. So I saw it in her house the last time I went there for Pelumi's birthday, and she told me she got it from one supermarket called Livichun. Her driver took me there to get it. Actually, it's called Livichun supermarket. My mother saw this thing, she's like, she thinks that the owners, one of them's name is Livinus and the other person's name will be maybe Chun something. But I got it for 1,850 and this one is from Kellogg's. It's so crunchy, it comes in clusters, it's really nice. Mom has already taken half, so I have just half left, or even less than half. So I'm going to make Greek yogurt now and have it for lunch. Okay.
Morning.
Hey guys, good morning. Whew. I woke up craving beans. I don't know why that is, but there's no beans in the house. I want to go to the market now to get beans and also get plantain. I want to eat plantain, beans porridge with ripe plantain and crayfish and fish. You guys, if you know how to make beans very well, you can attest to what I'm craving for right now. But yeah, I'm about leaving for the market and I'll be back to make the beans. It's been so long since I ate beans prepared by me and I miss it because I don't know, for me I like the simple beans, just beans and plantain with crayfish and palm oil. But in my house we'll put sweet corn, they'll put tomato, bobo. It's sweet though, we'll put corn beef self and joy. It's nice, but I feel like that's not what I'm craving for right now. I want the regular local taste of beans, so I'm going to prepare it today. And yeah, let's go to the market. Okay, back from the market guys, and these are the few things I got yellow pepper because I love very hot pepper and we don't have any here. I just bought very little for these beans I'm about to cook, and I got 2 types of beans. This is honey beans. This is what it looks like. It's a bit beige in color, and yeah, this is what it looks like. And this is the other one I got. This is the iron beans, which is my favorite type of beans. I love this one so much. This is not, the seeds of this one are not so big, but it's still iron beans. This is the one I'll be cooking today, but in the house here they like this one, so I just got half custard buckets, and it's more expensive. This thing, half of it now is 1,000. Full custard is 2,000, while this is full custard. It goes, I bought it for I think 1,300. So I couldn't buy full custard of the honey beans. And then I got iced fish. I told you I want to use fish for this. but I decided not to get dry fish again. There's even dry fish here, but I bought ice fish instead because I'm going to fry it. So this quantity, let me show you. This is, oh, the whole thing is pouring. This is one full fish, and this is the width of it. It's 1,000, no, how much I get to 700 for this one. So I'm just going to clean it up and fry it and have it alongside my beans. And then I got ripe plantain. This one is still strong. This one is not for the beans. I got 2. This one is 500 naira for these 5 pieces of plantain, but the size is big though. And this one is 400. I'll use this one for the beans because it's softer. So yeah, this is 400. I just jumped on this one immediately because it has twins. Yeah. So this is 400 and this is 500. This is everything I just got, and I'm about to start cooking my beans. I want to select the beans first before I start cooking, but first I will soak this in water so it can defrost and I can clean it up.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. again. It's a rich thing.
Later that same evening.
Good evening. Wow, that being said, it was so sweet. After having it, I just felt so fulfilled, literally. So I've been craving it for the past 2 days, I think. Yeah. So I'm just here watching Flatmates. That's one show I really like on African Magic. Chief Donatus, my people. But yeah, I'm just chilling here. I've showered for the night. I'm here to use my nighttime routine though, but my nighttime skincare routine actually. But I'm gonna do that. What's today's date? Yeah, today's the 11th, and tomorrow is Ivy's birthday. We're planning party, but she doesn't know it's going to be a surprise party. Everything she thinks is going to happen tomorrow, next week, is actually happening tomorrow. Because her husband told her that we'll move it to next week, and she called me down. She's like, "Oh, there's no party. I'm heartbroken." I said, "No, it's fine. You can come and chill with me." So she'll come here tomorrow with no idea of what we have planned. Ucha and I already got her a cake, so I'll deliver it to their house while they're setting up. Her sister will pick it up, and later in the evening we can now go. I don't know how we'll discharge her to be going home, but I'll find a way around it. So yeah, I'll vlog a bit when she comes here tomorrow. That's if it works out that way. But aside that, I'm calling it a day. I think I'm going to sleep early. I still feel full from that beans, because beans is really filling. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good night. Hey everyone, good morning and happy Saturday. I'm kind of excited today because it's my wife's birthday. My wife being Ivy. If you're returning, you know Ivy here, but if you're just here for the first time, Ivy is one of my best friends, and today is her birthday. And this is so bright. Let me back off a little, okay? And we're organizing. Her husband actually is organizing a surprise party for her. She has no idea. Uche and I, my other best friend, our other best friend, so we are three. Me, Uche, and Ivy. Uche and I already got her a cake, which will be delivered to her later today. I already gave Cinnamon Cakes and Bakes, that's the lady that makes my cake, her phone number, so she can go and deliver that one. But she feels like, I'm sure she'll feel like that's her only gift, aside the one her family members will give her, not knowing that she has a big party coming up this evening. I got up early today. I've called her, I've wished her happy birthday, love you girl, everything. I'm just downstairs. I want to make lemon water and drink. Momsi came and dropped lemons for me yesterday. I really love lemons, but I almost never have the time to go and buy, so my mom is my plug when it comes to lemon. Let me show you the one she sent, and this is my favorite type, so I'm showing you guys in a moment. These are the lemons she sent. This is the foreign one, like they call it. The other one is the green one, that's the local one, but Momsi always gets this one for me. The one she bought last week has finished, so she came and dropped this ones yesterday. So thank you, mommy. And I have my matching mug. This one I got from Mini. So I'm going to do lemon water with just one now and fill here and just sip it till it's done on an empty stomach. I'm not having green tea this morning because I am replacing it with my lemon water. Hello, I've showered though, and I'm about getting dressed, but I'm going to end this vlog here because I was already editing it and I noticed it has spanned for too long. So the next vlog will be Ivy's birthday proper. yo, this vlog was more like a food vlog. So in my head I'm thinking this is me prepping for my food channel, the one that is coming in the future that we don't know when that is. I love watching food vlogs. I love that I prepped everything and showed you all how I made it. This is going to conclude this vlog. Let me just quickly get dressed because IB is going to come here. I told you it's a surprise birthday. She has no idea what we have planned, so I'm in the mix in terms of bringing the surprise to life. So I need to get dressed really fast before she comes here and notices anything. I'll try my best to vlog as much as I can in terms of the surprise, like how she will react and everything. But yeah, you have to wait to the next vlog to see that. Okay, if you enjoyed watching, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and leave your comment. You all know how much I love to engage with everybody. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. I don't talk fast. I will see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.